Hello, YouTube land. So, I was at an auction today. Well, online auction because Corona. And all these cars were going for so goddamn much. Look at how much. Oof! Yeah, I lost that Impala. I was going for that one. But I lost so many cars in this one. Yeah, I tried to go for that Escape too. But everything was a reasonable price. Except for that Dodge Ram, which I don't know why I went for $550. You know what? Let me show you. Let me show you what I was looking at. So, okay, it's got a little damage. Until you look at the next picture, which is frame damage and galore. Ooh, she's dead. The back window's busted out too, so she ain't worth that much. So, kept going down. Didn't get the Jeep. Didn't get the Caddy. Was a good price though for that, but I have my limit set to about $350. The Explorer would have been nice. It was actually a V8. I know my last white one was a piece of shit. I hated it. Hey, Rivy. You're a pretty girl. But I just had to go for it. But yeah, I'm going to show you all the ones which I lost. And next video, should be able to go and pick it up. The zombie car was also a good one I was going to look at, but it shot up to 400 the first day. Let's see. Sold. Yeah, I tried to get that Mercury Sable. Actually, no, I bid on that one by mistake because at first it looks pretty good, and then you get to about. No, this is the other one. There were two Sables. Yeah, that one I actually tried to bid on. Where is it? There was another Mercury Sable. A little Ford Explorer there was also a good option. That Ranger too. I should have bid on more on that, but I was like, let it go. Okay, so you got a little Ford Escort right here. Went for $295. I didn't win that one. I want its cheaper brother down here, which is a '98. Pretty much the exact same goddamn car, but yeah, this is the one I won. It's pretty goddamn nice, except for that little nose right there, which is a little bit blurry. I'm sorry for recording this on my cell phone, but I'm doing this so I can edit in better. But look how nice the tires are, surprisingly. I thought they'd be burned out by now. Actually, I'm starting to like that little bit of blue there. Little wing. Paint's on it's really good. Interior, I've seen better, I've seen worse. But we'll deal with that when the road comes. This is probably what scared a lot of people off here. There's a little bit of bottled up brake fluid there, so I'm expecting a brake leak. But I've driven on no brakes before. I think it's like 5 cars now I've driven no brakes. But yeah, that's the car I won. I've been on so many damn cars here though. That's the that Malibu I should have gone for, but I kind of was like, it was wanting me to go up to 300 right off the bat. I'm like, no, let me stay under 300. That's what cheapest. I think the cheapest one that sold. Yeah, the Cavalier was surprised. I should have gone on that one too, but to my bid, another guy bid me up. How did that Taurus go for that? How did I miss that Taurus? What was wrong with this Taurus? I'm trying to remember. No, I definitely should have bid on this. What? Oh, dang it. Why didn't I bid on that Taurus? Don't mind me, I'm just, Oh, this one arrived late. I never actually got a chance to see it. Yeah, dang, I should have bid on that one, but it came up late, but whatever, I digress. 240, not bad. Even the PT Loser went for that much, so, again, not bad. S10 I was bidding on, but with that much front-end damage, I said nope. Then you got the Mercury Sable there. That's the one which I bid on by mistake. Again, at first, looks okay. It's missing its nose there, but no big deal. And then you get to, well, this. And then this. Yeah, so. Da-da-da. Sorry, don't mind me, I'm just admiring the weird stuff I'm seeing in the picture here. Bag of magazines? Or newspapers? How odd. So, again, these are all the cars which I passed up on. Yep, the cheapest one there was a Kawasaki motorcycle. 2007. Oh my god, I went for the same price as a little Vespa bullshit. That's hilarious. But I digress. Next time you'll see me, we'll be picking up the Ford Escort. Hopefully let me have a camera in there. We will see. Oh yeah, ignore my giant line of tabs up there. That's kind of what I do. Thanks for watching. Well, YouTube land. So, play on? No, it's not. So, we got it. 1998 Ford Escort ZX2. Hood popped open a little bit now. Still no key, so working on that one. But it's nice. I should put the jump box out because I want to give some power, but it still has power. We still have a flat tire back here I didn't find out about. As you can see by the line here, she has no brakes either, so each sketch. AAA is, again, the gods. So, yeah. How's the gas in this thing? Ooh, that is looking pretty nasty in there. Let's see. It still smells pretty fresh, surprisingly. She has a little rust down there, but for 98, she's looking pretty damn good. My 98 Crown Vic didn't look this good. I gotta replace this, so I found one of the Foss down by me. So that her engine. Oh, find a dang hook. Where are you? There you are. Admire my angles. I get here. There we go. I have a 16 ZX2. Not familiar with this engine. I wonder if it's a Mazda knockoff. Well, Mazda clone. I have no idea what's up with that battery right now. I have not finished nothing with it yet. All I know that it's really, really strange. And I'm missing part of the valence up here. Looks like brake fluid's overfilled, but there are no brakes. So I don't know what the hell's going on there. The battery surprisingly is still good. Someone tried to work on this thing and just gave up, so I'm kind of now more worried. Missing a top cover here. Radiator is it's wet. It might be a little low, but you can tell it's actually it's the front condenser. Radiator actually looks pretty new considering. That's the coolant level in here. What the fuck? Ford, what are you doing with this? What the fuck? Ford, I have many questions. Okay, tank is full. Okay, that's how that works. So, on the bright side, let's go look for a battery now. The oil, a little dirty, but it's there. I think we might have a valve cover leak, so something to look at. Again, I have no key for this car yet. Oh, I didn't know I had a sunroof. Inside is dirty. This seat's actually in better condition. So this is bizarre. So this seat's in better condition than the other seat, which you never see. Oh, but that one also had milk on it. Yeah, someone had the ice cream in there. Let's see. Oh my god, look at the old school handles. Straight out of the 90s. 120. Headliner is thrashed, but the lights work. Mirror works. Projection sticker. A lot of cigarette ash. So I'm gonna need to clean the shit out of her. I wonder. Nope, I can't get that lucky. I don't know why it's pulled out. See, remember the clutch was all the way in when I found it. Oh no, it's actually Okay, clutch has returned. First gear. That's weird, it holds it. Second gear. Okay. Huh. That's really weird. Why is it holding it? Okay, so let's try it like this. Half power. Okay, now it comes back out. But it's not, I feel like it's in gear. Second gear. It's in gear. But that is very flaky. Again, the horn works, surprisingly. I'm not saying that chair because that one has the milk in it, but this thing even had a title in the glove box. So I don't know why they said they didn't have a title for it. Yeah, 1998, January. I like those old school Ford stickers. Whoever owned this was a cop or a retired cop at one point. That is 1998, and this car is a 98, so... Oof. Oh. Oh. I gotta fix that. Let's see. Ugh, my God. Got some expired plates here. Money orders. Gross. Another milk-covered receipt. What's this? Oh, joy. Apple pie. Yum, yum. Someone with the Kroger. That's a part for a battery stop. Congratulations, you have won $1. Oh. So I got $1. I'll have to try that one out. More MoneyGrams. You got a rag and some socks. It's right here. Oh, what's this? We got an Easy Pass. Got that little view there. There's an address there. I'm not showing that. More crap there. What's this? Another piece of paper here. I don't know what these things are, so I'm not showing them on camera yet. Someone has a part here. What's this? This is a service. This is the fuck. I don't know what that is. Dill pickle slices. What the hell are you eating, buddy? Oh God, please. Oh God. Why do you have mayo? What's this? Clutch slave cylinder. Okay, so this thing put a brand new clutch slave cylinder in here. I'll keep that one around. I think the seat's supposed to fold down, but I'm not fully sure. Either way, I'm getting rid of this stuff right here. Gross. Why does he have mayo? There is no reason to have that much mayo ever in a car. God, that explains the smell. Why is the bottle sticky? Why is the bottle sticky? I love finding weird shit. I want to see what's in the trunk though. That's gonna drive me crazy. I'm not showing you the base because, well, base. I don't need 1,000 guns pointed at me right now. Oh, someone got some new rotors. The Impala and the Escort. Alright. unfortunate thing did not have the factory ownership manual. You know what I mean? Ooh, we got spec sheets. Escort Tracer. What the fuck's a Tracer? Like, that must be the Mazda version. Anything I need to see here? No. I'm keeping this jug because good storage. Gross. There's that Easy Pass. Expired paperwork, another. Huh. That's for a Nissan. What the fuck is that doing? Got some expired tags again. Oh, and more shit here. I don't know what that is. MoneyGram. I'm gonna try and track this guy down because, like I said, I found a title in the car, so see how that goes. Where is the transmission dipstick? I would like to see your fluid level. What's only a 4-banger? What the fuck? Why? I expected more than that. Hood's full of every kind of leaf in here right now. Pressure wash the shit out of this thing later. Hello, dipstick. Where are you? Huh. Very strange. Oh yeah, so my hood was a little propped up. I know why. I found this in the hood. No idea what that's. 2648. I'll go worth sharpening that later. Oh, there's another piece of paper in here. Okay, 0. Another for a Nissan. There was no Nissan. Okay, sorry, I got a bad view there. I don't know what this is. Huh. Alright, guys. Let's close out the hood for a second. I want to see if I can make it look a little better. Wait a minute, what the fuck is this? Where did this just come from? What is this? I don't know what this is. I'm plugging the back seat because I don't know what it is. Again, I'd rather not throw something out which I wish I knew about. Again, I can't believe I have the sunroof. See, right. Oh shit! That was knocked me down. So right in that corner is where I found that pocket knife. It's already lower than what it was. But yeah. I'm gonna go and check out any information I can find so I can pop open that back trunk. If I don't see anything else in there, well, that'll be in the video. And thanks for watching.